Currently, I have made 2 videos where I'm talking about how to go live on YouTube with 0 subscribers. And trust me, I'm very certain you still do not know that information. It is coming in hot. I don't gatekeep. So I am here to inform you that, my dear brethren, my dear sister, you can go live with just 0 subscribers. You can go live with the number of subscribers you have, and you can do this with your smartphone. Yes, you do not need your laptop or your system to get this done. In this video I am making currently, I am just going to be showing you how to actually go live on YouTube using your mobile phone. If you want to know how to go live with 0 subscribers, just click on this link showing up here, and it will direct you to the video where I explain that. Now this brings me back to this video I am making today. I am making this particular one for those who want to know how to actually live stream using their mobile phone if they already have 50 subscribers and above. Yes, for you to be able to use your YouTube app on your phone, you need to have 50 subscribers for you to be able to go live using your mobile phone. When I say using your mobile phone, I'm referring to using the YouTube app on your mobile phone. But like I already explained, you can actually still go live with 0 subscribers, but there's a way to do it. Click on that link I showed and get to watch the video. Now, if you are here because you would like to live stream, I do not know how to best explain the importance of live streaming. I always say it again and again that live streaming is very important for a small channel to grow. On my other channel, the fastest way I got my subscribers was via live streaming. The moment I realized that I could go live, I didn't even know that I could go live with 0 subscribers, right? But I realized along the line that I had my 50 subscribers count and I could go live. The moment I realized that, I continued and I began going live. And I got most of my subscribers from my live stream. So I can tell you for free that it really works. It really works. In this video up here, I talked about how you can actually get subscribers very fast. And one of the ways I mentioned was live streaming. I'm going to be showing you a screen record on how to achieve this. Kindly watch this video to the end. Be patient with me. Let's get to practice this together. And trust me, in no time, you'll be able to get to subscribers. Okay, to continue this tutorial, we're going to be using the YouTube app, not the studio, but the YouTube app. In another video, I'll be showing you how to use the desktop version to go live. But for this tutorial, we're going to be using the YouTube app on your mobile device to go live. Alright, so we're going to click on the YouTube app, and then you're going to allow it to open up like this. This is my home screen, and I'm just going to go down here where you have home, shorts, a plus sign, subscriptions, and then you click on the plus sign, and this is going to take you it's going to show you different features. You have video. Now for video, you get to use it to post your long form content. Long form content, I mean videos that are from 4 minutes and above, right? 4 minutes and above, preferably 6 to 8 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes and above, right? You use this particular one to post long form content, and then for your short form content, you use this particular feature to post your short form content. Now, the next one here is post. This one is where you post pictures, you post text message, text and polls, Q&A, and different things, different what's it called, um, ideas on this part. YouTube get to show this to different persons, not only your subscribers, right? Now, the one we are going to pay attention to is the live feature. So this is it right here. You click on live, and yes, as you can see, it's already showing me this is already showing me, and now I'm just going to go on to explain how to set this up. I believe that when you set your channel, you already did some basic settings, and if you have not, if you'd like to know how to do the basic settings, if you'd like to know the basic settings to turn on before you get to use the channel, this video showing up here, just click on it. This video, yeah, up here, click on it, and then you'll be able to see things that you're supposed to do before you begin to upload your videos on your channel. This is going to help you the algorithm understand your channel better. It's going to help you get to the right audience and all of that. No, so now let me continue with this what's it called, recording. I'm going to click on the pen icon here, and right here, up here, you see the pencil icon again. Click on it to update your thumbnail. Now usually I create a thumbnail, I create a thumbnail and leave it on my phone. So whenever I want to go live, I can easily access it and use it to go live. Now, somewhere here, I have this one already. I'll just use my hand to pinch it for it to fit into the screen, right? I like to fit into the screen and then I set it up. But let me not want to use this. I can also use a picture from my phone. I can just use a picture from my phone. Let me try. Let me see this one. So if you adjust it, if you try to pinch it to, you'll be able to get something. If this is not good enough, you can go ahead and just replace it to something else. If you're okay with it, if you're okay with that one, if you're okay with that particular one, you go ahead and just click on save. Let me use this one, right? So I have me here. I'll just click on save. So for my title, I'll go ahead and just enter my title. Whatever the title of your live stream is, let's assume that you want to say, um, let's let's learn how to make how to make clear clear thumbnails. Right? Let's learn how to make a clear thumbnail. Right? So this is the topic I want to use. You can use any topic, and most preferably, it's I usually advise that you go on ChatGPT and ask Chat to help you generate description, title for your videos. It's not a crime at all. You should actually do that. It saves you time. It helps ease the stress on you of racking your brain to get titles and descriptions. So when you're done entering the title, you scroll down here where you have public, ensure that you leave it as public. If you leave it as unlisted, it simply means that it's nobody will see the video. Aside simply you get to share it with. And I'm very certain that you don't want that. You want to be able to actually come back later on YouTube and be able to watch your live stream again. Alright, so leave it on public. Now for the audience, you leave it as not meant for kids. And like I already explained in that video, right? The reason why you should leave it as it's not meant for kids, right? There's a reason why you should do that. No, that's okay. Now come back to that. Now this other button we have go live together. It's if you turn this one on, it simply means you're inviting somebody to join the live stream. But if you're not inviting anybody to join the live stream, just leave it turned off. Now where you have add description. The description you must have generated using chat. You just go on and copy it and then input it here. Or go on and manually type in your description. The next thing you're going to do is the location. You're free to choose any location. Most of the times, I usually leave mine as Nigeria. So my reach usually is between Nigeria, USA, India, and all that. Okay, so I just leave it at Nigeria, but it's not compulsory. You can actually leave that one. Now, if you assume that you don't want to have this schedule, don't want to have this post, this live stream now, you want to have it probably by 1 o'clock, right? You just click on later, schedule for later, and then you're going to come back here and change the time. You change the time to fit when you want it to run. When you have done that, you go ahead and click on next, right? Now the next page is going to bring you to is this page that says this video is set to not made for kids. It's set by you and it's set by me because in my when I set the channel, right, I already did that setting. And the reason why you have to do it like this is because your content is actually for adults. Even though children, because your channel is safe, your channel doesn't show nudity or sex or vulgar words. I'm trusting your channel is safe, so children can actually be with their parents and watch your channel. But at the same time, when you say it's made for kids, it simply refers to the fact that you're talking about content like Coco Melon, Miss Rachel, Mickey Mouse, and all of those children kind of content. If that's not what you're doing, then leave it at no, it's not made for kids. And then go ahead and click on next. Once you go ahead and click on next, it begins to load up. Mine now told me that I've scheduled this post, and when the time is when it's 1 a.m. I can just come here and go and click on go live to go live. But let's assume that I do not want to use this schedule. I can actually go live now. I can just click on go live and now go live. But I don't want to do that. But this is the simple guide on how to go live using your mobile phone. from your mobile phone. As long as you have up to 50 subscribers, then you can go live, right? Using your mobile phone. But I made another video where I explained how to go live with 0 subscribers. Yes, you can go live with 0 subscribers. Just click on that video to watch it, and you'll be able to understand how you can go live with 0 subscribers. 1 subscriber, two, three, like you're not up to the 50 benchmark. You can actually go live even on your mobile device, but you have to do that through the desktop site. So I'll be talking all about that in a different video. Thank you for watching, and thank you so much for watching this video to this point. I am Ali Vetru, and yes, this is Grow with this channel. Here I get to share from my experience how to grow on YouTube, how to make videos, and how to actually continue on your monetization journey. Now, if you've watched the video to this point, kindly leave a comment, leave a subscribe, and turn on your notification bell, so whenever I drop another amazing video like this one, you'll be the first to get to see it. Bye for now. See you in my next video.